How to make Keto Jalapeno Pepper Hotdog. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients. For hot dogs: 4 whole beef hot dogs, 1 ounce cheddar cheese, shredded, half medium jalapeno pepper, 4 sliced bacon. For side salad: 4 ounce spring mix, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Dice the jalapeno peppers. Preheat the oven to 400 F. 2. Make a slit in the hot dogs, lengthwise, but don't cut them all the way through. Stuff the hot dogs with the diced jalapenos and shredded cheese. 3. Wrap the hot dogs in the bacon slices. 4. Bake in the oven until the bacon is crispy, about 20 to 25 minutes. 5. Serve with a side salad and sugar-free ketchup. Then enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of Keto Jalapeno Pepper Hotdog. Each serving comes out to be 677 calories, 58.7 grams fat, 4.9 grams net carbs, and 30.5 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.